All right, guys, so while we got everything taken apart here, we're cleaning it, we're going to empty out the catch can. It's a real good amount. Probably should have emptied it out sooner. Ugh, look at that. Whew. And just take this out, dispose of it properly. I'm going to dump this in a whole bunch of sawdust. It's just going to turn into muck, like mud, and it'll be trash. While I got it off, I'm going to wipe it down, make it look nice and shiny. Guys, so this is simple maintenance you definitely don't want to neglect, and just that simple, that's how you do basic maintenance on your catch can.